Alright, so the back is done. Looks pretty good. So we're going to do bulk cleanups, especially like cottage properties that they push the boat into. I like to try and blow the leaves as far back as possible into the bush so that they don't blow back. So we put about 4 or 5 feet in there, which is awesome. So we're just working on the front. We'll be done probably like half an hour. Guys, haven't done so already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, we're gonna get this one finished. Alright, that cleanup is done. So far we've done 3 cleanups. Gonna try and do 2 more today. It's supposed to rain. It's supposed to start raining today. It's supposed to rain like 30 to 50 millimeters in the next 3 days. So we don't think we're gonna be working much tomorrow. Hopefully Friday, but the leaves are super dry right now, so it's really easy to blow them. So hopefully we can get a couple more done before it rains. Be awesome. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, we're at our second cleanup of the day. It's starting to spit out a little bit, so hopefully we can get this done pretty quickly. I filmed this one many times before. I might film it once more. Maybe I won't film the whole thing. It is for sale, I see. So, might not be doing this one next year, but anyways, this one's got a lot of pine needles. I hate doing all these pine needles, but anyways, I'm gonna blow all the pine needles over the bush that side, and everything this way are gonna blow up this way. So I may grab the hedge trimmer and just trim all this stuff down. Or, yeah, or I might be able, do you know what, I'm just gonna try to pull this out right now because it's usually pretty easy to pull out. That's cleanup number 2 done, and it's just starting to rain now. So it's not raining that hard. We could probably go do one more, but I'm not sure if you guys want to work in the rain or not. It's just light rain. Anyways, this is the property. It's all done and clean. Yeah, it's not raining that bad. Maybe we'll start driving to the next property and see what happens. Alright guys, and as well, stick around to the end of the video. I've got some more stickers to put up on the shed door. Alright guys, we're at the last cleanup for today. It's starting to rain now. It feels more like hail. It's pretty cold up here, but he wants his eaves cleaned out quickly. Looks like he's got the gutter guard on, so it's not really got anything in the gutter. So check this one here. There's nothing really in those. Blow that out in 2 seconds and have that done. There's eaves up there, but I don't know if I can get to those. I'm gonna try. And then this cleanup I filmed a couple times. I might not film it today just because it's raining out and we just want to get this job done quickly. Whoa, so we're gonna take those bushes there, or the ferns, cut them all down so we can blow them. And then we were supposed to do that lady's over there as well this year, but the guy that checks the cottage in the winter time got ahead of me and asked already, so I'm not doing that one this year, so maybe next year again. But yeah, so we're gonna get this cleanup done and it should be good. All right guys, here we are. We got some stickers to put on the door. I got 3 more stickers to put on today, so here we are. So the first one, I met them down at GIE, and as well I follow them on Instagram. Super awesome guys. I think this is how you say it. Allaire Lawn Care. I believe that's how you say it. If I'm wrong, please correct me. So let's put the sticker up on the door. All right, put them right under BPM. There's one. Okay, let's do the next one. This next one I actually saw Wyatt put up on his shed the other day, and it's a Lansing Lawn Service. Met these guys at GIE as well, so let's put this up on the shed door, guys. Go check them out on Instagram as well. Okay, where should we put this one? Put him right under here above Richie. Here we go. All right, we have one more, guys. So actually, this guy, we actually met him in the parking lot at our hotel just as really GIE. It's AQ Lawn Service. So check, that's a nice sticker, I like that one. So we're gonna slap this one up as well. Alright guys, that's all the stickers for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's do a quick close-up of these stickers here. Alrighty. So, got all these ones here now. Thanks everybody for sending the stickers for the shed door. If you guys have any stickers you have not sent to me yet, please DM me on Instagram at Red Rock Maintenance. And I'll get you up on the shed door as well. I want to get this thing filled up as fast as possible and see if we can get the whole thing covered. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.